Hello Overcomers, have you seen this kind of videos and you've been desiring to create them even with your children and you have been wondering how this is being done? You can even be asking yourself like, is it worth it for you to create a channel like this? But if you look here, you'll be able to see the growth and you'll be able to see that millions of people are watching videos like this. And this channel is making about $164,000 just for AdSense on YouTube, talk less of other type of incomes that the channel is generating. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own channel like this in 5 easy steps using AI. And I'm going to be providing you the prompts that you need.
I'm an overcomer by God's grace, I rise.
So for step 1, I want you to open ChatGPT, then go down below to the description and copy the first prompt. Then bring that prompt to ChatGPT and just paste it like this and click enter. So you see ChatGPT is going to give us 10 different ideas. You can change the 10 that I have there to 20 or any number that you want. So I'm asking ChatGPT to give us titles for engaging Christian videos that we can make for our children. Now that ChatGPT has given us 10, I want you to scroll through and see if there is anyone that interests you. So after looking through the story, let's just go ahead and take number 10. So I want you to go ahead, go down to the description again, copy the second prompt and then come here and just paste it here. So where it says number, I just want you to change it and put 10. So I'm putting 10 because I'm taking number 10 and I'm just going to click enter and ChatGPT is going to generate it for us. So that is how easy I've made life for you. The next thing I want you to do is to go again and copy the third prompt and just come here and paste it just like that. It's going to give us every dialogue, anything that we need to put, and you can make any changes that you want to make. Of course, you can read them and see if you want to change anything, but the prompts are there to help guide you so that you can create a high quality children video for our children. So you see what the prompt has done? It has given us like the name of the children that we are going to be using. The description is right here, which is very important just to help keep your character consistent. And then we have the information here. So the next thing, I want you to go down below. You are going to see Leonardo. It's a free tool. It's going to give you about 150 characters every day when you sign in. So go down, click on Leonardo, and then if you have an account, just log in. If you don't have an account, you create one. You are going to be able to do this for free. After you click on Leonardo down below, you come here, you just click on launch app, and then you go ahead, you create your account. Since I already have an account, it's going to bring me in. I want you to come here where it says image generation. You click here. When you click on image generation, it's going to open this place here. So if you look down, you'll see these are other images that we have been generating. Just come here and go ahead, paste your prompt, and then you just come here to generate. So now Leonardo has generated this for us. So this look like something that we can use, or this one look like something that you can use. And also you can describe the colors of the addresses, the kind of color that you want. So after you've generated it, maybe you generate it and then it has some problems, you can generate as many times as you want, just so that you have that good image. If you are using the free version, I just want you to come here. You see this 3 dot, click here, and then you will see something here that says copy seat. Go ahead and copy this seat just like this. And then you come here, you scroll down, you see where it says advanced setting. You click on advanced setting. You see this part that says use fixed seat, and then you click here, you paste your seat here. So why is this important? This seat is just going to be the seat of your image. So it's just going to help to keep everything consistent. So the background, the cartoon style, this seat is going to help you with that. So now when you do that, the next thing I want you to do is to go ahead, copy your next prompt, just come, delete this other prompt that is here, and then you paste your next prompt, and then you go ahead and generate. So you can see this next prompt, how it keeps everything consistent because we use that seed. So Overcomers, if you have been trying to make money online, maybe you've struggled on your own and you are not able and you just need some support, or you just need some guidance or some direction, I have a form down below that you can go ahead and sign up, and I'm going to meet with you for free just so that I can help give you some direction, some guidance. So another option is that if you are using the pay version, what I want you to do is that you just go ahead and click on any of the images that you want to use as your main seed, and then you go ahead, you download just like this. And then after you download it, so this is the image we have downloaded. What you are going to do is that you come here, delete all of this, and then you just upload the image here. And you see here it says character reference. Click on this, and then you are going to upload the image. So that's the image we downloaded. and then you are just going to upload it there like that. Now if we go and copy the next prompt and then we paste here, we generate, it's going to use this image as a reference to create our next animations or to create our next images. So that is also going to help to keep everything consistent. So now with this, you can see the image that is creating. Look at them here swimming, so you can see the images here. So you can see them right here. And of course, it's AI. Some things might come out that are not exactly how you want them to be. You just go ahead and tweak your prompt a little bit. But if you follow the steps that I've shown you, you are going to have amazing animations. From here, go ahead and generate all the images for your story. And then I'm going to show you how to take these static images and turn them into videos. So now that we have our images, it's time for us to animate our images. So I'm going to put the link down below. So just look for Dream Machine down below. Look at this one that is swimming here. You can see how amazing this platform is. Create an account. If you don't have an account, create an account. Then when you log in, just come to this place, click here where it says image, and then go ahead and upload your image that you want to animate. So let's just upload it just like this, and then you can write anything. So maybe you can write swimming because they are swimming, or because they are in the river, in the sea, whatever you want to put, or you just put it like that. So if you have a description for the image, you put it. I'm just going to animate another one while waiting for that other one to animate, and then go ahead and just click enter just like this. So it will take some time, and then it's going to animate all our images for us. So this is the one we just animated, so you can see how we've taken that image that we created and then we have turned it into this video. So look at this other one. Look at the children right here, and then all these fishes are swimming. It's like they are under the water. Overcomers, if you are gaining any value from this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up and then put in the comment section that AI is changing lives. And if you are not yet using it, or if you are not making use of this opportunity, then it is time for you to start. I want you to declare in the comment section that I will become a master of AI. So now that we've had our images, the next thing I want you to do is just to come here and download. So go ahead and download all your videos, and when you are done downloading, we are now going to go to the next step where we are going to create our voiceover. To generate our voiceover, there is 11 Lab down below. So just click on 11 Lab and then create an account if you don't have an account. So go ahead and paste your script here. Come here and decide. You can try these different voices and see which one you like. So when you decide on the voice, you just go ahead and generate. After you do that, you just come here. You are going to see this download button. You click here and it's going to download it for you. Now we have everything. We just have to put everything together, and we are going to use CapCut. So if you don't have it, go down below. You will see a link. Just click on it. So you can create an account. You can use it completely for free, but it also has a pay version if you want to use some features. So now let's come here, create new, and then come here, take this one that is for YouTube. If you are making a short video, then you will take this, but since we are making a long video, just click here. So go ahead and then bring all your images here, all your videos that you've generated, you just bring them here just like that. Then also get the voiceover that we just did and also bring in, then you put it under your video just like that. So this is how it is. Now you just need to take your time, move everything in place, put what is supposed to be at the right place. Take the first one, put in front, take the last one, put behind, and arrange everything. So you can use some effects. If you put effect there, this is what it's going to do. Okay. But it is very important that you put transition. So you come to transitions like this, and then you put it in between. Okay. And then you see like when it's transitioning from one place to another, you see what it does. And then you can come to auto caption, and then you can put caption on your video so that when it's playing, people are able to read what is happening there. So when you are done editing your video, you just come here to where it says export. You click here on export, and now you just come here and then you download just like this. And this is how you can easily create your animation. So let's watch what we just did.
Leo and Ella stood by the sparkling river of forgiveness, ready for a big adventure. As they paddled along, a splash led to a small quarrel. But Ella smiled and forgave Leo, showing that saying sorry makes friendship strong. A giant fish with shiny scales jumped up, reminding them everyone makes mistakes. Saying sorry and forgiving makes hearts light. Inspired, Leo and Ella felt braver.
It's been a while since we laid down.